In this class, we are going to learn how we can use the loop and if else. Okay. So here in the last class, we have already created one class and we have created some object and we have stored the data manually. And then we have added number of dictionaries for each this particular object. And now you can see the object. Let me run the server. So now you can see here, we got this particular codes data, C programming, C++, all the things are okay, we are getting right. So now here I don't want to display. You can see here we are displaying the data. Okay, C1 name, C2 name, course 2 name. Okay, let me add one more course 3 name also. Okay, and once I save this, you can see third course also display. But here I don't want to write again and again. I want to use one particular. For that purpose, what I will do, I just remove these three particular dictionaries. Okay, and here I'll create one particular list. I'll write courses equals to, I'll write here C1, C2, and C3. Okay, so this will be my three objects. And here I'm going to create one key as a courses. You can give any other name also. And here I'm going to store my list courses. Okay, so once I store this, I'm going to the in this particular heading. And here, okay, I want to display all this particular data. Let me add one division. And here I'm going to use the. So here I'm going to write for I is my reference variable in what? In courses. And here I have to end the loop also. So here I'm going to write end for and what I want to display. So here, if I want to display I dot name, let me save this and now you can see, let me refresh. Okay, you can see I dot name is displaying for more. This is here. Okay, now once I refresh, so you can see here all these particular courses name are displayed. Okay, so just assume, let me take one BR tag. I want to display some more data, for example, I dot what we have added. Okay, price is there. Okay, and description is there. Okay, I want to write description of. Okay, now let me refresh. You can see we are getting the description out. C program, it is the basis of all program. Okay, and here also this. Okay, and if I want to add price also, we will write I dot price. Now let me refresh. Now you can see we are getting the all this. This is the C programming. Okay, this is the, for example, if I want to mention what all the things are there. So this is my name. This is my description. Okay, and this is my. So later we can convert this into the bootstrap codes. Okay, or can mention the tables, all these things. As of now, just I have passed particular data using the. Now just assume I want to uh, pass one particular if else condition. So here what I'll do, I'll go to this particular models and here I'm going to add one more as something like offer. So here I'm going to add this offer as a value of boolean. So boolean may be either true or false. So now let me just add here, okay, in C1 dot offer. Okay, and here I'm going to add, okay, and in the index.html I want to add one particular condition. Okay, what I want to add the condition here. Again, I'm going to add here if, okay, offer equals to true. Okay, and so here it will be I dot. Okay, and here I want to end this also. So here I'm going to write end if, and I want to display something. Okay, okay, something I want to display or something. Okay, offer. Like I'll add one button. Pressure off. Okay, and now let me. Okay, so here we are getting some error here. Okay, so let me check why we are getting this particular error. check the name. Yes, we have added the offer. Okay, correct. Okay, so here, mm, yes, I'll write just if I is true. Okay, then you can see here we are getting the separate message for this special. But we are not getting this for any other particular button. Okay, if I just make it somewhere break tag after this, okay, it means refresh. Now you can see for here only we are getting the special offer. For others we are not getting any special offer. Okay, and let me add just add to some other here also. For example, C2 dot offer. Here I want to make it true. Now here also, if I just refresh, okay, so now you can see here in second also we are getting this particular special offer. So in this way, you can use the loop and if else in the Django. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much.